FUJI is a crypto exchange startup company. With our help, we will build a successful business and find suitable partners. Raise funding. Our task is to help startups raise maximum funds from a wide range of investors. To do this, our team uses a variety of tools. We allow a possible investor from any corner of the globe to support our project. If your idea is interesting and useful, you will receive funding and find the missing teammates easily. Don't think about where to find money. Think about how to build a profitable business. Are you a project founder? 1. Leave a request in your personal account. Describe your idea, tell us about your team members, and share tasks and goals that you set for future. 2. Briefing. Respond to a questionnaire generated by the FUJI Analytical department. After that, the endorsement. We form a circle of investors who will certainly to be invested in your idea. Create a project. Number 3, moderation. If your project is really performing or promising, it will easily pass moderations and become available to users of the FUJI ecosystem. Good luck! The FUJI platform is interested in closing the collection of your project as soon as possible and providing you with reliable partners. After all, our monetization begins only after collection is successfully completed. The FUJI ecosystem works with different businesses. We will help you raise capital if your business is from following industry. What way we can attract investment to your project? Attracting investment with the purchase of a share in the business. The investors of the FUJI platform can become full-fledged shareholders of your startup and invest money in order to get a share in a successful project. Are you afraid to face problems of a large number of the shareholders in your startup? The FUJI platform will provide with effective tools that you have to manage limits on the number of shareholders, report to shareholders on project development, and build effective communication. Funding. Create tutors, investments, or donations from a large range of the investors. This program is quite common, but it's not always work effective for large businesses and startups. What documents do you use? We request a standard set of documents, a preferred prospectus, and an investment agreement and crowd notes. They are designed to attract capital on the internet. Are you afraid to face the problem of a large number of shareholders in your startup? The FUJI platform will provide you with effective tools that will help to manage limits on the number of shareholders, report to shareholders on project development, build effective communication. What documents do we use? We request a standard set of documents, a preferred block of stocks, an investment agreement, crowd notes, and they are designed to attract capital on the internet. How to start investing? Number 1, register a personal account. It's not difficult, but don't forget to confirm all your personal data. In other cases, investments in startup will not be available. Number 2, take the test. This will help our team to understand which status you are interested in. Number 3, choose your favorite ideas. Buy more, there are a lot of interesting projects. Number 4, invest money in projects you like. Make your contributions and follow the development of the startup. You will receive notifications on your email about all updates of the projects that you supported. Number 5. Become a shareholder of the business. After the successful fundraising, the startup's founder will contact you to sign a necessary document, the FGTS, that you have invested will be frozen until you confirm that all agreements have been concluded with you. Number 6. Make your profits from the business you have become a part of. The directions that the FUJI team identifies that are the most effective: matter universe, medicine, health, fintech, online education. Investing in startup is very interesting and highly profitable. Major rating agencies in their research claim that up to the 76% of the profits in the portfolios of the venture capitalists brought investment in startups at an early stage. The FUJI ecosystem will allow you to create a portable investment portfolio from different startups in just a couple of minutes. Our task is to provide our investors with the best offer that are included in the category. All the projects are thoroughly analyzed by our professionals. We have extensive experience in investment banking. Why does an investor need to become a part of the FUJI ecosystem? Money. You will make even the minimum amount of money work for you. You can invest in a startup from 100 FGT, such as a threshold, make it easy to create a portfolio of the large number of startups without having a huge reserve of funds. Investment control. Your money remains yours. If the company does not complete the fundraising successfully, the FGT will be returned to investor account. In case of success, the FUJI ecosystem guarantees until the startup team signs all necessary documentation with investor the rate FGT will be frozen. Different levels. FUJI company offers investors different investment opportunities. These projects are A, B, C classes. Unique ideas are combined with the common ones to diversify your investment portfolio. There is always a good investment for your budget. Our partners. If your project is interesting, then we will help you get list on the exchange of our partners with crypto listing agency. KuCoin, JFT.io, Profit, Forex, Located, Vindex, VAZBIT, YBIT, Bidex, Tidex, Bitmart, BITGL Global, Bitfinex, Big One, Coin Tiger, LBANT, Belazy, MEXC Global, Lay Token, and few more.